Welcome to Maildesk, the super solution that lifts your Odoo to the next level. Fast, powerful, and ready to roll? Let's go! In this video, we will look at how to synchronize emails from our mailbox. We open Modern Maildesk, go to the menu, Configuration, Mailbox Accounts, and select the account we need. On the left side, we see the Manual Sync button. When we click it, a wizard opens where we need to specify a date range, for example, from June 1st to July 31st. Next, we click Sync. The synchronization starts in the background. This means that emails will gradually appear in Maildesk automatically. After some time, we can see that the emails have already been loaded and are displayed correctly in the All section, as well as under Incoming, Outgoing, and other categories. Activate the module and feel the difference. Less chaos, more results, and one screen instead of dozens of tabs. Maildesk, email that works for you.